I like to do mine with whatever vegetables and herbs that I've got in season. So for today's tablescape, I've got flat leaf parsley and rosemary and sage and artichokes and mint and chives and fennel, as well as some sweet peas, because you get so much sensory overload with it, all the beautiful smells and everything. Sharing platters all the way. You do not want to be running back and forth. All of your running back and forth can be done before your guests arrive. But when your guests arrive, you really want to be there, you want to be relaxed. So get all of the stress and all of the work done beforehand into beautiful sharing platters like these beautiful roasties or beautiful tomatoes like this. And then the crudité platter to begin with is so fresh and healthy. I think during the summer months we all want to eat a little bit healthier because we're revealing a little bit more skin, and also because it's warmer, you don't want heavy foods. So I think fresh vegetables and crudités and lovely salads is the way to go for summer entertaining.